Pro Addiction is the only permanent straightening treatment without the use of formaldehyde and other toxic cancer-causing chemicals. Here's my client's before. This is already blow-dried and flat ironed. She's got some damaged ends from some old highlights. She's 100% gray under this hair color, but she still feels frizzy, which means she feels like she has to blow-dry and flat iron every day, causing more damage. Here comes Pro Addiction. It's safe. It doesn't use any toxic chemicals. It's applied for 30 to 60 minutes and then is rinsed out with just cool water at the bowl till all the product's removed. Once everything's rinsed out, we do a second blow dry and then we flat iron very small sections to seal the remaining leftover product in the hair. Here you can see on the right, it's already been flat ironed. Look at that shine. On the left, it was just an air dry, no brush. Here's her final result. Look at that shine. Look how much healthier those ends look. We didn't do any cutting. She's got incredible shine. It controlled all that bulk, and this is permanent. She will only need to get the roots redone when she's ready 6 months from now.